Do you enjoy eating fast food?
Or do you want to talk about your favorite fast food in English?
Today, we'll learn simple English for talking about fast food.
Let's begin.
Hi, what's your favorite fast food?
Hi, I really love burgers. What about you?
I like pizza, but I also enjoy fried chicken.
That sounds delicious. How often do you eat fast food?
Maybe once a week. I try not to eat it too often.
That's a good idea. I usually eat fast food on weekends.
What's your favorite burger?
I like cheeseburgers with extra cheese and lettuce.
Yum. I like burgers with bacon and onions.
Do you usually order fries too?
Of course, fries are my favorite side dish.
What do you drink with your meal?
Usually cola or iced tea.
I prefer orange juice.
Do you ever order food online?
Yes, especially when I'm busy.
Me too. Food delivery is very convenient.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy.
I love spicy chicken burgers.
They sound delicious. Maybe I'll try one next time.
You should. I think you'll like it.
Have you ever had a funny fast food experience?
Yes, I ordered a small meal.
What happened?
They accidentally gave me a large meal for free.
Wow, that was a lucky day.
Yes, I was very happy.
What's your favorite fast food?
Tell us in the comments below.